How to post longer text on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can post longer text on Twitter tweets. Now to do so, first open up the Twitter app and head into the plus icon that you'll find at the bottom of your screen. At the bottom right you can see the plus icon there. Tap on it and tap on the tweet option. You'll be able to type in your tweet here. Now if you type in for the certain text here, I'll just type in quickly. Now here you'll be able to type in as long as the circle at the bottom of the post. There you can see a little circle, and as you type in it'll fill up. Now you can post longer this does not fill up here right here. However, if this fills up, what you want to do is, if you want to type in more longer, tap on the plus icon beside the circle here, and then you'll be able to add another tweet and you can type in again, and these two tweets will be posted together. So this way you can post longer text on Twitter. Once you fill up this first one, you can simply tap on the plus icon and fill up the second one, and if you want even longer than that, again tap on the plus icon and again add another tweet, and this post will be tweeted at the same time or posted at the same time. So this way you can post longer text on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.